Exercise 3.5, question number 2, part 2. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? The previous question which we have solved, that was for infinite solutions. This question is for no solution, and this time we have to find the value of k. The two equations are 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y is equal to 2k plus 1. So first of all, we have to convert both the equations in standard form. So 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, equation number 1, and 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0, equation number 2. Children, whenever we have more than one quantity here, so we can transpose both of them together, keeping them in bracket, and we can change the sign here, minus. Okay. Now, for no solution, as we know, the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. So first we will compare our both the equations with the standard form. So by comparison, we get a1 equal to 3, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 1, and a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1, c2 is equal to minus 2k plus 1. So let us put the value of these a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 in the relation for no solution. a1 upon a2, that is equal to 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to b1 upon b2, 1 upon k minus 1 not equal to c1 upon c2, minus 1 upon minus 2k plus 1. Here minus sign can be cancelled. Now once again we will use both the relations one by one. So 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1, and by cross multiply 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. Therefore, multiplying 3 inside the bracket, we get 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. That implies 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3 by transposing. Therefore, k is equal to minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. Again, now we will use the second part. 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. We have used here, first we will use these two parts, and now we will use these two parts. You can use these two also, but I am using these two first and then I will use these two. So 1 upon 1 upon k minus 1 not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. So by cross multiplying, 2k plus 1 is not equal to k minus 1. That implies 2k minus k not equal to minus 1 minus 1. The sign not equal to will remain as it is, but rest we can do in same way like we do in equal to. Only this sign should be remaining here. So 2k minus k is equal to k, not equal to minus 1 is minus 2. That means system of equations have no solution for k is equal to 2 and k is not equal to minus 2. So these are the two conditions we have to satisfy for no solution. One for equal to and one for not equal to. Okay? This way we can solve the questions of no solution.